Tomorrow, now we hear them. How the award take come, how it take carry them, how it come be say now he can reach his hand. And that guy, he make us proud. He make us proud. Nana, my son, my sisters for here. The judge now say why he not carry better award for better thing. When we say nah licking of plate, now for carry the award. But you never know the washing of plate when I talk. I say washing of plates. You never know which of the plates. Plate days, I plate plenty. They see pots. Understand? They see a lot of plates.
Yeah, they see
but you only know the kind of plates when for carry this award. So you have to calm down, sister.
They're not talking for the radio.
They see for tomato.
They're supposed to. They don't realize something half now. They'll just say you win award of what? Award of which kind of plate?
It mean no, but me don't want to go deeper.
You know. Okay,
I want to go deeper. That's why you don't understand that word. I don't want to go deeper till tomorrow.
Okay, now Kulu award. If you know, you know. Go and go Kulu.
Abi.
Yes. We are so proud of that, our brother. I know.
Okay.
No, me, I'm not proud of. I don't know the kind of award though.
Okay.
Award.
I want that. Okay. She not the other when I talk.
Award now award.
You don't hear when I talk.
They say Bessie carry award.
I'm proud of him.
I'm proud of him. Easy. They see best driver, they see best singer, best dancer, best rapper. Now,
Mr. Austin, the first to say that those states carry award for people when they travel, they go out, because they do some kind of things for here. Now we don't see get another one join now. That's
nobody will get any award for that country. Now we are the get so period.
And the award what would they get now? The one they keep BP. You don't see I say.
Well.
Thank you. That's why our people now nobody they buy of BP.
Okay.
Well,
now, Madam Rose, say you say Nana. And those people who prove out to you say any award will carry. We are proud of it.
We are proud of it. I say yeah. If he is another person will carry him.
Any award will carry.
Now they're proud of it.
Yes, so they're proud of him.
Don't comment section. Don't comment section.
I will share me see that one now. BP won't kill me. I will share me see that one. See my BP for conda.
No me for one junction.
You look for the now.
Give you that one.
Now, if you shake like pikin wey conversion hold 2 times, BP go vanish.
He go disappear.
Exactly. How you tell me?
Host they look you. See the hand to the.
Leave us see. Host no.
No signature. Oh yeah, there your head.
Oh yeah, for that thing. Who talk that to your
Let me talk her.
Host not be lying now. I don't first talk her. Me I don't first talk her now. Say if I see that kind of one now, my body go calm down. This work now no.
I just say yeah.
I go just they laugh.
Okay, that means now let's start.
Never tell what kind of award or plate when he carry. Now you conclude. He never took kind of plate award of plate when he carry.
Women,
my sister.
Oh yeah,
my sister. They know they tell Pikin with lessons. They not go tell her to word 2 times.
What 2 times?
Exactly.
You supposed to repeat.
Some no. Me, I don't understand where hoes they go. Some of us understand. And those who are
not going to know again.
Those who are going to repeat. All the ones who repeat.
As you not come understand, so make you sit down, they look us. Sit down, look us.
Before I enter this life yours now, I hear whether they say, oh, scam for outside camera pass. Now, if it be true, because first time where I see host, they always talk. I say, see General Overseer of Central Man. I just especially this yes, the way it take cap man, the way it take pulpit for neck. I say this one a deep traditional man, no way they use me do live video. That's why they say don't judge a book by its cover, right? So I judged him.
Exactly.
I was looking at him.
Mr.
When they talk,
Thank you.
Wait,
Thank you.
I-
Gift.
wait,
Thank
I
you
want
for
to
the
talk.
gift. Thank you. Thank
Wait
you.
now,
God
my
bless you.
sister,
Thank
wait.
Let she finish.
Later.
Somebody they walk
Wait,
me.
the way call they talk, the way call they
wait.
talk, the way call they I can't say traditional man, they talk like this. I can't listen more. Before I don't even know when I begin like the life. Before I don't get call, I call they give her small rose, I they look her. Before you know the thing enter my head, I send request.
He enter your head.
He enter
Like
my head, I say, see Baba where they talk truth. At least one man is defending these women. Where you feel like saying they not gonna know their worth again, no. Now I call happy. And since that day, I'm proud of you. Because the reason I talk now, award. Very soon we go give host award, right?
Thank you.
So that brother will carry award. We are proud of it. But our own host award will be, in fact, touch nuts. Now it go be because it's not easy. Before you see that the way they listen to children like this, it's not easy. If our parents they listen to us, some of us don't go suffer waiting they suffer today. But before you talk, they'll tell you say, no. Husband, sit down there. Husband, our beer. Until beer lose the life before you know, say, wait till be one try tell you, So we are proud of you, host. God bless
Thank you, Mama.
So
Thank
this
you,
your face. Who not understand will definitely judge you just like I did earlier. So I apologize.
Back, cut her out.
For what reason? For what? Man, I talk with you, I want to talk just now.
They will call me.
As they say your boy is school, so for as they say your boy is school for real life, so may not be like say everybody will come, they call you, make them for the until they come.
No, nah. Who's going to pick now? Nah.
You know how your daughter talk?
I just tired.
Today na free liberty, talk as you like.
Underline.
On the line.
How much did you talk to?
Now you.
You know how she talk?
You don't understand.
I dey come for you, wait. Thank God, say I did. See, you get
Host, wait till you talk natural.
Thank God, say I did here, sir. I should don't come. I'm gonna take it.
Lisa, God bless you, Jare.
No worry.
Natural. Some people, not just some women.
No worry, wife did there. No worry. We did there for us. The person decrease.
Yeah. Wait.
No, yes.
Wait
You
till
go no.
gossip
How you
to
want
talk.
to know?
Not be
What
like.
did I talk?
Gossip
I
to
say-
talk. Let me talk to.
I say people they confirm and say your voice they cool for ordinary grant now.
See your voice.
I say
This
everybody will come, they call you, make them they see until they come.
Come where?
Can't you talk?
For another side.
So.
You take on like that.
I'm a
No,
brother.
I don't take him. I don't take him. I don't take him because she's posting to my face. I don't take him. Come where? Then they go school for where?
You said they're going to come school for your WhatsApp China.
But now school for day for you now.
No, this one not the sweet. They don't come for WhatsApp.
Don't worry.
Okay.
God signature. Tomorrow I will reply you.
No problem. Okay,
When I did that my check. When I did that my check. Now I feel reply you. But here now I don't feel reply you. But when I did that my check. Now I will reply you. You'll hear from me tomorrow. Well, I'm here. I worry.
Oh, you say yesterday you say you want to talk about Canadian people. You analyze them today. I just say una don't start more because
No man me today.
three people
Mama.
follow me for there yesterday.
Okay.
See, all these people wey they do saga, to be honest, sometimes now the way people take they attack the comment section or their inbox. Before person go provoke or drag person we not supposed drag, you not go no.
Yes.
Because if person talk, you know say that thing they your body, they not call your name.
Yes.
And that's also people say behave for church. If they go church, pastor just preach, so can't preach. He go say that they not go that church again. They find another church. I don't know why some people get that mind. If person talk, now they refer to una self. Can you imagine?
But what not be right me?
I don't know. I reply. I tell her say follow us. May you go answer that question where they ask. You understand? The guy he say make her they talk with him. I know. I seen being no fussy wife or not. Me not even know. I don't even know before say your wife na nurse. Now you don't come my DM now. Can't tell me say your wife na nurse. So tomorrow now if anything is up, now you use your mouth. Can't tell me about yourself. Even analyze how you take bring your wife everything. Like
Yes.
wife dreams to be nurse. I did not ask you question. I only said what I said, and it's true.
And you live there.
understand?
You also live there.
I live here since I came. I'm seeing what they are doing. Now the one way they talk, come on, either they call bad person. All those one way they pretend for inside the bagolo marriage where they did for year. There are many.
Yes.
You understand? So you don't have to come to my DM. Why another lady confirm and say that's how our relationship takes scatter. That one just
Yes.
write me say thank you. You said nothing but the truth. Now so it's scatter. She never even graduate where he leave the man because headache one kill him. He want buy and wait till they read book where not read for Niger.
Yes,
You
Tasha. They
understand?
say the guilty ones we shout. Not true. Not true.
Exactly. At the end of the day, say she come out because she no feel read the thing again. Stress, one buy him. Now he quit because that husband they carry face, not they sleep out before you know marriage scatter. She
Yes.
not care because her own peace now she want. You the first and do waiting on. He tell you say see what she study. Why you not let her follow up with that one because she get experience? No, you want
Yes.
belong to nurse wife association. Now what did they do for your competition? Now that they do.
Yeah.
Eh? You just jump from waiting they call and they go nurse. Some of them never even fair do ordinary health care. They don't even get experience of anything. You just they jump, go take admission for nurse.
Yes.
In the struggle. And at the end, the husband will begin drop in hours because his wife don't graduate, don't become nurse. Don't they receive $40 per hour, $35 per hour. Eh?
Wait, so if I may ask, you know, say we get different nurses for Germany here. Is it the real nurse or the which of the nurses they fight for there? What we
Okay,
don't know.
there's
People
nothing
that put
like
us through.
fake nurse for year. That they get registered nurse. That they get ROPN. ROPN is like a practitioner that they see. It's like they are also registered nurse, but not 2
Like
years
auxiliary
that one.
nurse for Nigeria, like all those auxiliary nurse.
No, auxiliary nurse be like ordinary caregiver for year.
Yes.
I don't know. Okay, so caregiver that can apply medication, that can
Yes,
apply.
that one
So, but they not be nurse. They are ordinary caregiver, but they study all those
Caregivers,
ones join their normal this thing. But yeah, ROPN and RON is the highest. That one I think is about 4 years course. Why
Course,
ROPN is about 2 years.
2 years. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, it's true.
So they are almost similar.
Mhm.
Okay, but it's just that what the RON go do, ROPN no go fit do one.
Again now.
For
Yeah.
some just
I
because
understand.
of law, and if you be say they go fit but because you not complete the years of
Your
your
study.
education, the study they not go let you. Because even sometimes the ROPN self, me will not be ROPN, I do a job even person.
Again
Because
now.
I study and join my own. You understand? If you're in front line, you'll be like say they do everything. Okay? I just graduated as a medical office administrator. It be like say I be nurse. For so many things where I want to do for them, where I study.
For them.
And they ask myself, say, not be nurse, I go. Wait till be this one. You understand? Because you never can tell. Emergency can come to your table. You already know what to do.
To do, yeah. It's just like the one where you start
understand?
now, just like you are in the bureau. You are in the bureau, front of
I
the
can
hospital.
work in the hospital, I can work in pharmacy, I can work in doctor office. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what it is, my sister.
Okay.
That's what it is.
That's what
You
it
don't
is.
understand.
Yeah. But the people, if person not get see for that thing, not get interest, you can't dey say
No force
go.
am, no force
Based on
your
you
body
wan prove
put
to
here.
your e go hard. Honestly,
Okay, that means
even our children
Sister
say
Lisa, that means now competition life. Now they live for Canada. That's what I understand.
a
All this.
lot of them na if one buy house today, the other one go struggle. Go the next one make buy, go carry 1 million house come out. By the time you pay mortgage, reach 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, they sweat for armpit. Sister wey dey tie gele before go begin do straight wetin they call like go back hair.
You start to do all back.
Thank you. They sweat. Now we dey call 9 to 9. I give you one. So no know how their children say they eat, say they do things again. Shift to shift. So they do 3 different jobs. What is that? Just to meet up.
They won't blow now.
it
They won't make
healthy?
money.
Not be
But
they
it's
make
not healthy.
cardiac arrest.
Yeah,
Only they kill some of
Here
them
not be like that too. Here not be like that too.
But one thing about here, they get 5 children. They not too depends on those money from government to say they pay children. They really want to earn their money so that
Yeah,
they will
because
spend
work day now.
excess.
Work day.
Yeah.
work
So
day,
for
yeah.
that, I will tell you say, yeah, they send money, children money. If you like, you pay. Or if you like, you not pay. Now you know. So they not really send those children money for year. They not send. They want work.
Any place where me
Which
say
country? Which country be that, my sister? Which country be that?
na Canada.
Okay, Canada. When they eat
any
food for
place-
inside train. When they eat
That
food
one
for
na-
inside car.
No,
They don't get time for
inside
themselves.
train. How many they enter train? Everybody
Any
they drive.
place where
Because I dey see there na for social media.
So na the
No,
na the
they're
thing
not
wey dey
the
happen
inside
na all those
train.
one.
Now few people
All those one are
yeah.
all those are
One thing
content
about
creator, they pay.
Canada, you don't need paper before you dey drive.
Yeah.
No me say you must get paper before you do license. As far as say you get ID, you get government paper, any paper at all, you go use and go do your driver license. Once you don't qualify, you don't pass your driver license, you can buy any motor. If you pass today, you say you want to go carry Range Rover tomorrow, you fit afford them, you go fit. So that one is very
But you know
Canada
say everything are credit now.
that's what I'm
far
saying.
as-
I say
as far
if you
as
go
you
fit
do work,
afford
He's
them.
saying now everything.
You buy am
Yeah.
credit.
Some people see they buy cash, my sister. Some people get money.
But na few.
Some people prepare on the country, as they land, just give them few months, you go shock. And those one go post for Facebook, you go tell and say, I don't understand. Now tree you for pluck all the money. You understand? So some people prepare come especially all those one where don't thief our money for Niger. Once they
Yeah.
share,
No,
don't
all those politicians, they know they count that they put, Now people always say they use their hand to
My
work
sister,
money
no,
for them.
one of my
That be-
sisters said
that be
that's one na
politician.
Italy, lie yo. Italy
If
they
it
no
not
dey
be
chop for
politician.
inside train o. We hear my sister,
That be-
Sister
that
Joy.
be politician.
Sister Joy is. If Olebe dey come, Olebe go tell am say make you wear that food. Everywhere go dey smell.
Push, but now if food
Salisa.
now, you know
Sir?
the
If information will come to me yesterday after that show,
Yeah.
one woman come call me, also from Canada, and she called me. He really applaud you, I have to be honest, okay? But he said that my brother Lucky, he not the Canada, but he take it upon himself just to defend a friend. That it doesn't work like that. You can't defend what you don't know. You understand? He said that guy only tell him, say what they pass through. But Lucky not dead there.
You know,
You
they
understand?
yeah.
you take up
So
on
like
yourself.
make people when they talk, when they did the country, they tell me say something they happen. She tell me say as she did now. The husband used to take carry money for there. Up now they pay the gbese now. The husband don't go back to Nigeria.
Okay.
The husband don't go back to Nigeria. The gbese now they in neck because they in neck they take carry the
Their
money.
neck.
They are neck.
Now so many many. Now the women come they pay mortgage because they put their wife name. They know say future now wetin go happen no. But the woman go think say na love reach there. Go they happy. Some yourself, the man they misbehave because say there are two names they mortgage. If that man come out, now she go they pay. Fear not let her drive the man. She go they bear him. Some go even know their husband go they sleep with, but he go they bear him because of expenses way they because it's very expensive.
Canada why the respect like that? Canada why the respect?
No, Canada is cool. Canada, I'm telling you the way people are living. Not the country. It's the people who wants to do over Sabi.
I
It has nothing to do with the country.
And no, that make a does the country want the respect like that. That people going to misbehave like that.
So not clear, not go there. Not be only our country, go reach Philippines. You know, some people they talk for line. They go say Chinese person, you don't see and say drive your husband. All those other countries, my brother, come this country, you go know whether those people they drive husband or not.
They drive.
Come here, come see whether they drive husband or not. My dear, say what you know. Many people homes where I don't work, where I don't see. Now wife they hold wallet, husband wallet. Some of their husband know they go, they take off his wife mama for us. His wife Chinese, his wife he be nurse, if he be lawyer, if he be anything. His husband go there as 247. They take off the wife mama. If you don't know, make I tell you now. There are many for here. For you all live Nigeria people, other community, I mean they tell you for this town.
Yes.
Don't go there.
You know, say
guys,
our
they're not
people,
finish for delivering. The main people where they study, where they work now, they are women.
Yeah.
Now they do hard work. Their wife now they finish for delivery and truck driving. That's all.
You know, say our people,
house,
our
7
people.
family go there inside that house. Make it park for one apartment. You kick cockroach, you go tire. Because the people wey stay there as they pass 20.
Not be lie. See, you know.
No, we'll sit down. Only our own
Nigeria.
Them will not go there.
We Nigeria, we believe on one thing. Say our women, you're bad.
Our women,
now we be the worstest thing. You and me say you just come out for Nigeria, just enter Italy, stay for there. You know from there move. How will you know? You're there for one corner for Europe. You're the shook your mouth. They
go there.
Most other people, now their women they work.
Even the women they talk. So our men they raise those, especially those Indian ladies. Our men they raise their clothes up. They give them ta for work.
Yes, now. Yes, not be money.
And it's for us.
What do you talk?
That's so, bros.
Wait.
Not be lie.
I say our African brother they raise their clothes, they give them ta. You never hear.
For working place.
They there now.
They there now. They go even know say they even their husband house. Even someone they even said the woman go even park. Come on for your husband house. The man will go rent house for outside.
May I tell you, for here, for Germany here.
Oh, when they there they play, say na lie.
For Germany here,
like say you don't do one, I make you one come defend the here.
For Germany here, if anybody mistakenly touch woman body for working place, that person career it don't finish for here.
Not if they cash them.
Now we consent now. Now we consent to.
No, whether two of them there are
If they know, they know now.
They know. Now if they catch you be that.
Now if they catch you.
Now wow.
If they catch you now, they want to
If they catch you now, you don't know now.
2 adults, wait, no.
If 2 adults say they go pausing now, you know what they go do for inside where they do for pausing. You don't know.
Yes, I
But wow. Me all shut off words.
Don't forget that. Not only our women.
Many things they happen. Many things. Just the same.
See, I get many Philippines. I get many Philippine
other countries they do. They even worse past them.
I get many Philippine ladies, friends, colleagues for work. When they tell me say they like our people, say but they shame. You don't understand? Say that they shame. But when me they tell you now get husband for us, he go tell you say maybe he get black person where they some even go follow the black person for Facebook, go get the picture for if he go show me say see how they like this person, but she get husband say but he they shame to approach this person. I tell her say if that's what you want, go ahead. You understand? They like black like crazy, but some are shame. Some because they don't marry too, they'll see because especially Philippine, they are cautious with our own a small difference. Not just small.
But anyway, don't marry. What did they find? Again, they go. What did they find?
Maybe the man not the treat am well now. The man not the treat am well,
Philippine women tell me say he say African men they are thing why they big whether not because they cut am. Now I say may you ask one if he see am. I don't know why.
Now this leaking too. Our men don't become perfect for this leaking deeper. You don't understand. The leak or you go die.
Oh wow. Wahala.
Things they happen.
Things they happen.
Now every day
we hear new things every day. Good afternoon. I agree to that.
Thank you, sir.
Madam Dorothy.
The family now.
We thank God, we there. All of us there here.
Thank God. Family, how na day? You talk with Sister Lizzie, Shares, Rose, Onye. He said, I don't know God's signature and
my sister Doro. How you doing?
Good morning,
ma.
I did
Welcome.
I want kind of enter journey travel. I travel I did so.
We are there with you.
We are with you.
We're there with you with one mind.
Now do well. Now wow, I know that.
Who said they Italy before?
You see?
My sister, you go not there Italy before.
My sister, my daughter dey Italy now. He go come out on Sunday. My daughter, my first pikin, we go excursion for there.
Okay.
Hey, Italy go to spend money.
He say they for Rome they go.
What thing when I
Mama Rome, you okay? No problem.
They send me pictures. You know say na school matter na.
School excursion, no problem. That one no be problem.
They send me picture. Na oh, it's no topic today.
now that would they so now. Okay, show. You will say whether no show today.
Okay, no show today.
Because I did on a journey today. I know I can't do 2-hour show and I see come out sniffle now. You understand? Sometimes if I want to cut live videos, some people they tell me say no, stay. You know? So I can't do 2 hours journey, 2 hours show. I also come out. No, not to make sense. That make I last. Yeah, we all join and forget get together. I had to talk am. So we're talking about Canada because we never really hear too much things about Canada like that. Apart from two issues like that, they don't come to us for Canada. And the first one we felt on our platform. Me myself, I was so emotional. I was not happy about the issue because I wonder how for Canada, because the way I look Canada, it did different. Maybe the way others see the look at it is very different, you know. But fortunately, how husband and wife, let me say now boyfriend and girlfriend though, husband and wife underline, husband and wife will get only 2 rooms. Then he will tell the wife, make the wife will sleep with children room, while he want get your privacy. Only that thing alone, it felt weak me. So how can this kind of thing come from Canada? This kind of issue come from Canada. You understand? So
the woman bear na she not cry come out na. Government no know what they happen.
They go sleep to the room.
She not cry, come on. You know. See, for a year, I go tell you, say the highest country will be say, they play with all those kinds of things. Their record for a year. One small stay enter. If you mistakenly lose your job for where you did, to find work, maybe I don't know where you want to go to work. For real, because criminal record for a year, now in fact, pray may not enter. All those kind of assault, all those kind of behavior, just pray may not enter your name. You understand? So she not cry come out. Like all these people where we see they talk, where they beer, they not cry come out. If you cry come out, they go come in, they go help. Yeah, not be country where be say that they could even they carry children like that. No. But they go find solution for you first. Give if you needed to give you a house, they'll give you a house. Or they go ask the man to come out. Many cases there were some women, all those one way they beat them, maybe they beat her for his ass, the woman they beat her. So can't go party, go can't forget himself, go beat the woman, police go involved. See, and the way that they separate them, it go be like they don't want to hear from the man. As far you raise your hand, hit that woman. They don't want to hear anything from you. Many guys for years, so go dead their leg. Where police don't put for their leg, make them not near their wife. You understand? So now so it be. If you not cry, come out. Even the people where they call you so bros, a lot of them for the Europe, they not cry, really go meet government, say, see what your husband did, they maltreat them. And so, they not let government know, say they marry. Sunday, their status na single. And they do living together with a man, they call her husband. So sometimes they had to come call, say, husband, they do so. They'll ask you, which husband, you married? You understand? Yes. So different way where people take one for granted. I see they cause away make that they BS or kind thing. Yes. Because they don't know how government wants it to react. Yes, for me, they don't know whether the thing go by fire for them, whether name that they be, and once the men, some of the men notice them, they'll begin using against them. Now be the thing, because if you cry comment, I pray you go collect now. You collect.
Canada, actually, this Canada of it, my elder brother did for Toronto. Wait till I really know, because I not did, they never go there. They always they different. When all of us even go house January, all of us we are 6, the same parents. All of us they ask for my brother married. When they see them, they different in the sense that they calm. So we'll just believe saying that the country, now the place where they for come. So that they somehow they reserve different. Will just if they do something, you just leave there. You do not say now where they day. Say we were there Europe here. We the somehow sometimes we know we overreact over things. We know they like to take some kind of nonsense. You understand?
My sister, but go with them. Not this way they reserve. Go with them.
Sometimes if we hear some kind thing, what they feel say, hey, Canada neither kind thing for the apple. So definitely no place where mad people know the day. Person just they pray, may God give her a better person. You understand? So Colonna, that kind of place that they like to go, that if they still go there, they know hide themselves, learn from the land. May they see they reserve like others, but that bad character now they go they like to show. You understand? Nowhere bad people not there. Now just God. But Canada na very good place, because if I see their way they different and the way that they behave, I they get that dream. Even though I old, I must reach there. No matter it be.
Canada they break people feathers. You know why? Because it's all about work, home and work, right? So when you are tired, you don't get life not today here, in the sense that all those POP, this thing. Person way don't go do 12 hours, 16 hours. Wait till you say me you can't do later. And as our sister talk, cold day. Everybody, some people don't tire. Cold time really long for ground. So no get woman, so no get man. Cold they cash and everywhere blow.
They don't get woman, they don't get man for Canada.
Yeah. You just say easy like that, bro.
Okay, not too much like that,
Not easy,
like that.
You understand? Now when they open doors, students come, many people come, and now people come. And our women, I don't know whether they put their placenta for African men body, Nigerian men. They know they like date other country people. Nigerian man can date other country women. women, they can marry them. But Nigerian women, they find it very difficult. If not be original Oyibo, say you just see Nigerian woman, come marry Indian, marry Chinese, marry Jamaica. It they hard na few. Right? But all those people
say we will be Nigeria, we dey selective. Like India where you just talk, so now no go zone area. If now that smell where they follow the waka.
I beg
which Nigeria can go call the beer all those their smell where they do poko. I got forbid.
For yeah, because of school, so you can meet somebody in school, maybe they are schoolmate, you go come be another country. So some of them they feel mingle, but when it comes to marriage, they feel date that person for some time. When it comes for marriage, they'll come they find Nigerian man, and it's not easy. So now desperately na person they'll come they knock for brother.
That one no.
Yes, nah.
Percy wife.
No, Percy husband.
Trisha.
Percy husband.
Trisha,
Yes.
you a surprise for you. We say we like what is strong, we like Okikbo. You come they expect me our guests go they carry all those watermelon.
What you say you like, madam?
You say you like Okikbo?
I like Okikbo. So you expect me go they carry my watermelon bola.
But if watermelon bola give you PC better pass Okikbo, you not get peace of mind.
I tell you, Jack Robinson or Bekwane.
Not be all watermelon, not just them like that too. Not be all, Not be all. Sunday we see be all Okikbo. It just depends how the carrier take deal.
Not before India, my sister. Other tribes, see, India, no.
Sir,
What you mean not come understand? I be like say marriage not the work again for everywhere.
nah, so that's just the answer.
I can't understand one thing, whether Canada, Europe, or UK, or anywhere, the word marriage, it don't they go down.
Because everybody they enter with selfish
family,
interest.
no one made them marry. Most of them, the
Not be
problem
family, mama.
Not family.
Not be family. No. It don't pass the era of family.
Family they here.
Yes.
So
it don't
family,
pass era of
they
family.
believe say they send their pikin make up find money. If you just talk about
No,
woman
that
and
time
life,
don't pass.
My sister, that time don't pass.
Mama, that time don't pass. That time don't pass. Not be now.
Me, they talk and say this marriage, that what called marriage. If that thing get name, if you feel it talk, you for not people say, "Mona not to use me again." Mona not to use me well. Okay. Marriage, okay, now just now it come be like scam for this Western world as a whole.
Na scam. Yeah.
Nobody they believe on that again. Say marry. Nobody believe on that word again. So now you get the thing.
You know how many people they suffer for the same marriage for where me? How many women the name say that they married, they don't want to money, they die, they go for marriage. Oh, come on, they love single mothers.
And now the treatment from the brothers, they make many women really they bad, right? Even person will not get experience because it happened to a friend. And the mind where people consider the entire marriage not be better mind again.
Yes.
Eye for eye, now they consider the answer. If you do me, I will do you times 10.
If you do me, I do you. Give me, I give you. Now they marry now.
Now they consider the marriage. So
Yeah, you give me, I give you.
That's
Born.
it.
So now you have to
Whoever
say-
you born picking.
One woman tell me say, if you do give your husband this thing now once in a month, I would beg. You see, once in a month with a beg. Not here tomorrow. With a
that one
beg.
not good now.
I guess something.
man
I
wey
guess
not make
something when
person
I
happy
want.
once in
When
a
I want
month very
talk.
good for her. Because
Wait,
with
I
that
get one
person
something
no
where I
happy,
want
no dey
to
sweet
contribute.
person.
Wait, I bet me I quit talk. See, okay, man and woman, I did the same house. Okay, when I get 2 room, the man order you say me you go to slave with the children. You suppose not say the marriage don't dey over a long time. Because 2 of them support to share room together as husband and wife. As long as the daughter say me you go to sleep with children, you don't say the marriage don't dey over. The man young one say me you there, they take care of the children, they help and they pay the bill. Now you be the message. And that thing not there. So if you want woman come tomorrow say the man they pretend. No, now you they pretend by yourself. The message I've ready to. The man don't already give you the message. Before man go tell you, it's okay. When I get to room for us, may you go to sleep with children. He want to use the whole room. Me that say don't share the family. It's all too. So now waiting me see for them. Now you'll be that one.
But sometimes not be as you still think comes, but you know, say like say 2 rooms there, I'll say the man maybe not probably just tell the woman say go they stay with children, because sometimes when you deal with your husband, children go your pack come from their room every door, you come for food the bed, you go be like say somebody not sleep well, maybe the woman go they sleep for the children room by herself. But if the man talk, he not good though. But sometimes my dear, now the woman go by herself just can't go the room, children room, because
see children not okay. You will say you be the father to the children. So if your children not disturb you, not play with you, who want play with children? Now your neighbor.
Sometimes when you say the man they work, you feel
but in the man they work, you must get time for the kids. You must get when me say your children fit go outside go dey play. Now inside as children for the play.
Another thing wey we see look, Sister Rose, you know say some women every little thing don't pack for the husband room, go the children room because they quarrel, go they stay there. So maybe the man don still observe am several times say kukuma just stay there, don't come this room again. So you go to say like play, come say and say the man take am serious. It could be that too. I'm not saying that's what happened. It could be that because some women they oververse. So women go verse, they'll close leg forever. You know, before they open leg, you man don't they get and clear for us.
If happiness there house, that woman feel the open leg for you. Once say you don't make the woman feel say the woman she die, me say she not that useful to you. So who should rush or you believe that the woman want take? When me say too often na dead say you go you they tell her something, they take you say this one a mad person or you not that useful. Before woman go say why your part go inside children room, something don't they fish out. I not be the person they put sugar for a man, you just speak out. No, that when bitterness they in their house, that woman will come there close to each children. If bitterness not their house, everybody children not feel they disturb their papa because now you be their father. I bet they get another second father. It's not that possible now.
No matter how it be, sometimes the men self na still our children they be, you understand, but you will not say their character they get as they be, they get me. So but sometimes we just did the children rule with they better part because sometimes you go sleep with the man, time where you take need rest, you know go get rest, the way go they use your hand, they touch your body. I better just stay children rule because me I not just need disturbance sometimes. For me I know all those kind of disturbance. If I just get and clear. If I not just need that, I know you need those.
Okay, my question: How will you call your husband touch disturbance to even start with?
Everything that they touch, I bet me I not that kind of person. I go work
because love not there both sides. If you have love for a man, let's be honest now, because sometimes some of us now they throw away all these things. They feel say the men are bad. Listen, if you have feelings for your man, we say love not the marriage not the. You see inside the way not there. So people see they get and clear. They get lovely wives, they get lovely husbands, right? So true. Let's assume now say you date your husband the husband is very well attractive to you. You can't feel say he touch you every day now disturbance. That can never happen. It can never be a disturbance. Rather it go to reset my brain. I go there as my husband, they use and rub me 24/7. They tell me wow, they touch me. They use and draw my hair for my head and for down there. My sister, that means he's busy with something else.
No, it's not every day as they look at so.
No, you should be busy with me. Everybody get
every day, you know, like me, man, when me get every day they like to touch me, and I mean they run. And they run because everybody not be the same.
No, that's not a question. That's just for me. I'm not in support of that.
You understand?
Even though you
not be waiting people go talk. That's why me still they tell you just now say You know, some women, not all women just get that time every day that you just spoil like that every day.
Mama, not be every day.
No,
Mama,
Not be spoiled, not be every day.
You know me so na mozu, but that hand they low,
Yes.
say touch you that night is
Go
okay.
rub
Your
you,
body
sit
go
down
calm
for
down,
couch,
your brain
rub
go
each
set.
other,
You must not do.
Something
Me, I not fit sleep.
BP.
If they touch me, I don't go just by. They say that they touch the thing go make them sleep. I don't feel sleep. I don't feel sleep. All my body, they make jiggy. So y'all leave.
Hey, mama, if like
Mama.
say you don't away, if like mama don't reach 50 years and be 60, maybe that's why your
60 years
hormone don't go down
I
well.
60 years. But me, I'm not just a like everyday touching. If I want just kneel down, go just do one.
No, mama, now be say, mama, no.
Because
Let
I
me
want
say,
go work in the
the
morning,
love
they
where you
touch
get for
me,
your
we don't
husband,
touch
it don't
play,
they go
play,
down.
which I
It
want
don't
to
they go
see.
down.
Oh.
The love where you get for the man, don't they go down. That is
You
why.
not go down, and you think like that.
Okay.
You not go down.
Mama, people they fall out of love without them knowing say they don't love the person again. But for them, they feel say they are still in love.
Yeah.
I'll tell you, things are happening. You might be feeling
Things
it,
are
but it's not there. That's why we need therapy. When you go to therapy, they will find you for you. You know, you don't even know. Some of us don't know ourselves. When you go to therapy, therapy will help you find yourself for you before you go know. Say, I thought I was doing it right. I didn't know I was been doing it wrong. You understand? Because even sleeping with husband not supposed, you not supposed get a timetable, right? As nature call, now it's supposed to be for husband and wife they the same house. Anything can stop. During the process we are watching TV, if they touch some kind things, everybody get where the thing they sweet them. Some people na ear, some people na nipple, some people na just they draw the hair for the head or the head with the hair where they down there. So everybody get where they get and clear. You understand? Some people na just carry your hand, follow in neck. You understand? So along the line, you go
Not be lie you they talk. Not be lie.
Because said then now you're like now if children not there say that they room inside that couch
room.
that chair won't sit down put hand
Not
give
be
am
lie.
back my daughter that I don't come out. You can do one night stand for your husband, it doesn't matter. Quick
That is the fact.
do one.
Sister Alicia, you know where woman will come they complain like that. Maybe the love don't they get come back.
That is what I said. That is what
You know
I said.
say
No love get
you know
come
say
back.
some
Sometimes
like,
me I tell you about myself.
depends on how the man
me
like
now.
they do follow you.
I cover Talisa with the blood of Jesus.
Amen.
When some men go they fight they maltreat you before.
See.
You understand so? They make my woman thought they
Who see
calm
and I
down.
say they talk
Sister
now.
Alicia.
People don't will like people they talk truth to. What I for show me that not be that. Person when they talk truth, people they like them.
They know they like them, yeah.
Truth. You understand? I would say she come in and come wear Reverend Father's Reverend Sister clothes now. Now we like her. You see her?
You just be like
That's
the
Nigeria
guy
for
with
you.
host. You just be like the guy with me on that day, You know they green touch me. Nothing. I mean I dey vex for somebody.
You know they touch
Oh,
you.
I dey
yeah.
vex. Yes, now.
Men they come in different
You know what I
forms.
can't
Some days
think
they go
now.
like touch.
You know what I
Some
can't
days they
think
no
now.
dey touch
Host. You know
person.
what I
But
dey
let her talk now. Let this woman talk.
Mama,
I
wait
can see her
now.
pain.
I want enter toilet go talk this thing. Una go laugh tire now. Me na wait now. What can I do? Host, I go just come work like this. You know when person go come now, you don't tire. You go see as far as now you are person day. You go see who go see use and say welcome. How you dey? Go just tell me welcome. You go just facing phone. Now you teach me when I can't find your platform. So say make I dey find particular place where I go dey stay. They enjoy my own self too. Since you dey press for me, go see they enter home. They laugh. Kya. Since now waiting go they give me joy.
Yes.
Ciao, Amore, ciao. Okay, host, you know what? I go just see come nothing. Me come the suspect say, get where this guy they go now. You know they touch me and you dey house. They go just weekend like this, go just drive out. Where you come they go, host? Make you think now. You know this Benin men, Una sabi the thing well, oh. They go just go. Me or come day. Align them with.
So, madam, you know they touch you.
You know they touch me, host. They pay me, oh.
See, ask where
Host, now my own I dey talk. So, host.
Now one, now you
Now my own I dey talk. Now me and man dey house.
Wait now, one after the other. We get tired today. How they go work?
Okay.
If that's only I stay inside, me I stay here till day break. I will stay till day break.
So as
What
when
a
you say
patient.
happiness dey, as na one time you say husband and wife, you go see say they use eye take dey communicate. You know say that eye dey sweet. Not be the one you see you go dey see their eye go dirty for eye. They'll come dey do that fake smile. My wife, no. Your character dey inflate for your body. If your whole dey sweet, your smile go low. It go show say this person has dey sweet. You feel you dey laugh. Your laugh, if na fake, once then you go say no. Me as a person, I know this one. They all dey fool themselves. You know if you tell me say na get date when me say you take dey meet your woman wey say you love or man wey you love, date not dey. If it happen anytime. So that be the real love.
Anywhere,
not be say you don't person na Tuesday na Wednesday na work.
Sexy.
Not be work. It's just something natural. It come by itself. It's natural something come by when it come. If it's space there, una go. If it's space not there, you feel see say okay, more fine. Say make the children sleep. You know, every time you see you say me I go to sleep with my children. When you need it, you can't wake me like say I be your house girl. No.
Okay, Mona wait. Sister, you get what you want to tell us. More listen to her first. So me now that man I feel her pain. You understand?
See who's
so as your day nana, you don't want to touch her.
I never marry host, not be my husband. I never marry.
Okay, your friend,
yeah,
your boyfriend.
My friend. So host. So right now, it go just the thing they pay me, you understand? I don't even complain to my brother. My brother come to us, okay, make I drive him. But I not get that mind. Because like now.
Okay, wait first, sister, wait first. What be say now my own? Now commenters the fan for his side. What do I do commenters for this program? What do I do them? Why you my own?
Now you
okay, maybe you're the keep quiet.
Now you dey find the trouble. Why you focus for all you say 1 year why they not?
Thank you, my sister. Thank you. Okay.
Why? Maybe why even ask you say why you focus on that area?
For only matter.
Okay.
Let me call you now.
Mr. Austin, you don't enter wash house.
They don't leave me.
You don't go.
They don't leave me.
You go dey support woman where you dey support.
They don't leave me.
You go sit down and wait. All you want
Okay, see benefit boy say because she need to express herself. That is the truth.
Yeah.
That's the truth.
It's the fact.
I beg, make we let Sister Oyi talk to us. I beg.
Oyi, tell us.
Now beg we dey. Now beg we dey.
May we know what to do as you know they collect water. So, yeah, tell us.
Yes.
You know, so the guy now, if we just call, if you every weekend like this, now today na Friday now, the next thing go just enter car, go just move out, go just go. You go say I dey go my house, and if you come find out, now not be the house he dey woman house.
So as soon as they talk, so now still dey together. As you just they tell us, so you still dey with that guy.
I did. Let me they tell you so. Me and that day, he did my house. Now my house same day. Now my side.
Oh, you know they collect bola. You can't contribute for comedian wife.
Can you imagine? I know they collect bola. Now that thing they pay me. No, not be any contributor. They that bola now they pay me. I know they see
comments.
Oh, see what they always say. You say some of our way they platform they contribute for people with they wear the same shoe. You see,
I understand.
Oh, you don't collect bola. Oh, you know they collect bola steady.
I know they collect steady. You go just be like nah. Host, it just be like nah. You'll be like nah, maybe nah. If as 1 full month nah, I not go see one bola collect. Maybe ending of the month, you'll just come, babe, how you day now? No be sex nah. That one no be
Oh, that woman cries a woman.
I
no cry. Now like roast, I no cry. Yes.
Why are you there?
I feel your pain. Sister Oyi, I feel your pain.
You understand? Let me when some women go just they talk, I will just they laugh inside.
I feel like give that guy headache. Give her headache for
free. My
you want the bamiri woto. You know see which
I know how no mirror. If not need dame, what die obi ni get like me.
You are a very submissive person. For person we never marry. You never marry
me.
And you submissive. You are still there. You never tell us the truth.
No, let me
It be
tell
like,
you.
it be like the Bola
Wait, let
now
me tell
people
you.
as our sister
Oh, we
Rose
bad
talk.
man. Why you not
So maybe
tired?
once in a
Make I
while
tell
when
you.
they collect her, it really they sweet you.
Allah.
No, not being.
All this
See,
will
you
work
don't
there
want
for
to,
you.
for it just
Una
be like
pass
where I
me.
for grow up. You understand?
Una pass me.
Where I for grow up, I be Igbo girl, but I was born and brought up in Edo State. You understand? Now where they just be like, how's they take train us? Since when I lost my husband, since 2020 when I lost my man when I born for, so it just be like I can't just day. You understand? Okay, the man when I can't see jam, can't they maltreat me like this? I know they see the thing chop, nothing. So the pain, if I think back again, I'll ask myself why I go back to a relationship, I for just remain like this. Might just know say I don't get nobody. You understand? So with that thought, I can't say okay, may not be like say I did lonely for inside house. Me and my daughter see they say who would they talk to. Now make me sit there with the guy. You understand? Not be say to drive I know I be drive person, but I go for my mind. I feel say maybe I did not sin or I don't commit one bad thing. If I just let me go, no, don't be so. You know, you go using two leg, you go.
That's not sin, my sister. You don't know say they carry another woman. That is a risk for you, okay? Energy
Yes,
will
now woman
spend for
called
you.
me. I did last month.
I
was in my home when somebody
and
called
you are
me.
still there.
Hope
No,
na
I
your
can't
platform
support
I did
this.
that day. I did your platform when somebody called me. Woman, he said whether na me be he just they thought in that or not. I just na me come I can't answer this woman question one after the other. They throw away. Now say well madam, na me be in baby mama. He say they no dey again. Now say na me born for her. Me and that still dey my house. The woman can't shout. Say what? Now I say yes. So make I can't go they fight that kind of person. No, you use mature. You play mature game. So, you know, I never even see tell them today, say person call me or person no come. No, you don't do such. You understand? In life, you don't do such. What
So,
you go
madam,
be?
Master Oyi,
Sir?
Mr. Oyi, they hear my voice.
Yes, so.
You mean say, as a student in this house, in this able house, student will be say, if they mark register every day for this house.
Okay.
I know one fuck up now.
Student will be say, with a proud off.
Hey, no, we don't
Now
be.
you can see the talk, so.
Student will be say, then you want to tell me now, say this man not touch you. They pay me.
Wait, see, host, I know you know one thing, I just they talk now because now as they do me now, make me come pour them out, you understand?
Yes, yeah, very important. Yes.
Because I know if he deal with you food, you just be like, nah, my eye come down, say, I deal with person, no, they touch me. If you just say, nah, normal, as we don't go work, come, everybody don't tire. But I can't observe, I can't pull eye down, they observe things. I can't hear my fellow women, that's okay. So this thing, not real. What did this guy they do? Nah, real thing. So now then, now this period, so me just come put eye down, say, this thing what this man they do, it no good. Person know they take what. Me just feel saying a normal, you know, because that thing know they come upon me because since when this my man die, so I not gonna feel all those things. But when I come, they like,
yes,
I can't they get the feeling now. Say, and a man I be there with. I mean, a man I been a woman I can't be. So I can't they as women they talk of love. I can't they get that feeling. Can't be like say my homo. Can't they get the feeling of sex. But I'm not going to see the sex chop. Now, there my head.
Wait, madam, now you be this.
Now me.
Madam, now you be this one. You just now be this one. It's also now you be this.
Now me. Oh, it's not me.
That man.
Not me.
Oh,
that man.
Who carry only go class 4 for this our school? Because I don't know if they pass exam go class 4.
When one woman talk one day, which woman talk one day say, so Sister Avi, God will bless you. God is going to bless Sister Avi from UK, United Kingdom. She come out that day. You want to take for life? You want to say only 1 minute they spend for up. You go comment session. She said some of our students here, okay, they will repeat class.
That's true. That's what she tell talker.
You don't get that, but some will call the point so she will talk like that. Because I want to she observe on her own. Say because what she they hear sometimes. Even some women say that they watch us every day for here. What they day with us for here. But they see they made this kind of mistake. Can you imagine? You deal with man for house. as a woman when you be when they see so. When they see so.
Oh,
Now,
my
what
man
my
they
brother
taught
thought?
you.
My brother say make I drive her.
You know they taught you. Whereby another woman called me this morning when we said the woman I break my shower. I not get shower for us now to speak. Huh?
Let's take them easy.
I don't get shower because
not
you must tell me say.
Host, do you know what?
Wait.
Host,
You
ask
must
me
tell me say.
Oh,
You must tell me say. As we speak right now, that man now once in a
Face don't
month,
change.
then they give him.
Face don't change.
You see, I'm on
Yeah,
one now.
Miawo.
I'm on one now. Why not now?
Miawo.
Can you imagine? Tomorrow they come for this man. Wanna continue?
We'll give her 5.
Only.
We'll give you 5 for this.
Only, I beg. Na the man they pay for your palazzo where you dey.
I beg. Host, I think we talk so much. Just 1 minute, I beg.
So you go on there.
In the name of life, Iye mudane like we. Iye mudane like we see. Browse, you get what I respect your platform for. And they come. You get what I respect your platform for, And that thing, even while we talk now, it dey happen within this boss right now. And that thing, if we keep them, it will help the platform to even grow more than the way it be so by the grace of God. And that thing I will say, don't condemn any person. The result when Sister Onyi get the result, this exam when you say face saying we go repeat class, not repeat class, so you hear me? They hear me? Bros, they hear me?
Yes.
Can anybody hear me? Okay, thank you. The class when she repeats, so now because say we know the results, so to say, in quotes, now make we believe say she failed the exam. Now there are people when we say they call say she failed this exam now, the day so this is we not know their results. We not know their results. If to say maybe now somebody bring this issue come now, our sister here now go see come advise that same person. But to say maybe she cannot call us our own result now. You don't know whether she pass or she not pass. So may we try not to the condemn person, because if you see the weakness of somebody as a brother, as a sister, you show them the strength of you, the strength. If the person come with the weakness of himself, show the person the strength.
Here, bro.
We are not condemning. No. We are not.
Yes,
you are
I understand. If that's what
we are not condemning her.
That's what I'm saying now. That's what I'm saying now. Because make she not look like say maybe she don't made mistake or she don't made no. She's right. Whatever she's doing now.
It's not like that. Okay, benefit.
No, bro. You can get why they talk.
No, wait.
Get why they talk. See.
Before you come.
I want quick say something, may I drop. I beg, I don't reach.
Mama, no go now. Where you dey go?
Okay.
It's not verse. This matter, I know say like play. Now this matter take come up yours now.
Yeah.
Now wait. Mama Dorothy talk. Now I answer. Mama Dorothy. Okay. 1 minute.
Choose.
Then if we continue, as I say, she don't.
Okay, you got to have one talk. Tell benefit boy before this one talk. One woman come up today before you come benefit. What you talk? He say the way women not today allow them to bash people. Sometimes you know they go well with them. You understand? So because he explain my side, say see why we they do one like that. That make we put that motto say we listen, we don't judge. You get why we they do one like that. And very, very important to us because why? You can imagine now. Now me they hear this issue before I carry a come platform. Okay? So you can see and they know the weakness, the weakness of these people. Say, this person already they weak. So not be this kind batching. Not be this person one here. You understand? Now make I try my possible best, make sure say and stop if anybody want to be say want they go in a very hard way and they try to stop the person. You understand? So now what will they do? Now be that my brother. But for this sister Onyi own, sister Onyi is a student of this house. So not be outsider. You understand? So when we talk to her like this, we try to joke with her, and she understand how we joke here. You understand? She just start joke with her, and we try one make her this idea inside that joke. See, make her understand. Say that thing, it all makes sense. Where we say he get man for us, and that man is the bolo another woman for our side. You understand? That make her if you get that man to the do him. You know? So that's why it be my brother. We don't try they want to do something in another way. So now our person, not be a stranger. So a stranger bring her come, we take her enter house. I'm talking say our own person. This is called the apple tree. You don't know say before she come talk for platform for here. You know say because she did free with us, that make her. Because she not say only here. She officially talk her, we be say nobody will judge her and nobody will condemn her. You don't know. You understand? So we know how to take the another platform where we say each or no would they, each should not would they. So people will they free, people will they come the day free to talk their mind. You understand? So anyway, make una continue. I want to enter where they go.
You know, say now my matter they take enter this matter. When I tell them say the one I get, if they use you till they pursue me up and down, sometimes I the tire. If I come from work, if I not rest well, sometimes I'll dey feel headache because the stress. Won't come back, carry children, go sport this, that. So now we take enter when she says she, I own not the touch her at all. You see, I say na different kind of human being we dey get. People get the one where they use they use till they pursue them. So go see get the one where be say you no want do. I don't understand. So life in get as it be whether not balance and no.
Make I quick talk, may I drop. I want start work. We not judge you, bros. Benefit, abi. No, we never judge. And we not play with Terishi. And the way only take on talk her story. I felt she was able to find her confidence to say it out because we were free, we were laughing, right? Not be serious matter. Maybe since then she dey try and even talk her. It's not easy for person to express herself for that kind of situation. The way this matter take just come randomly now it take come. We just dey talk and say e no good, you suppose dey collect, you not suppose get time. Maybe na there she come reason and say all this is where we dey talk so. She self no even dey see. Like play now she take talk wetin dey happen so. Question where I ask her na whether they still dey. She can't say yes before she could explain why she never drive the person. So we not condemn her. We not whoever ever condemn her because a lot of us still there we still get their own for body. And we have been saying it times with if I thought I they always conclude my submission for this platform. See, both who they comment section and who they up here, their own they cover and they advice for you. And not true. But one day that person go still find the confidence to come and come still share her own story. Now time. Today she find herself, she was able to say it. This is what she's going through.
You are right, my sister.
So now, yes, now for us to just tell her and say, I be say as a student, we not leave her. You understand? Because she never graduates. So we go tell her what she need to hear. And because she be our own, we might be a little bit harsh on her. No me say me, we want condemn her. No me say me, we dey ridicule her. No. Because she be our own. Because she too take to bring the matter. And I want to tell her. And for others that are still there, for me, good girl. For me, best wife. And our own case now, they never even marry her. Man will marry you. May you so rest in peace. I'm not sure say you take this kind of thing where they take from boyfriend. I'm not sure say you take her from husband that time. So sometimes no they do and way. That thing not get another food where they chop. Now it go chop your go chop the man. Now so it's supposed to be. Any man will come they run from you. Somebody talk and say sometime peace not dey home. Whether peace dey home, peace not dey home. Igbola and the Ekpoyoyo, they don't know whether that one peace dey. If you think and go there, they will follow you. Now so it be. How you go there house, you know they touch your woman. You go outside, go they do. What happen? We all are human beings, we have feelings. You understand? So that man, instead of her to they keep her there, go they chook her for outside, come back, come still dey that same house. It's better if free our sister.
Yes.
It's better if free our sister because
Yes,
that's
we will leave am.
selfish interest.
We will leave
You
am
understand?
with immediate
So
effect.
everybody have
go
a wonderful
change.
day.
Well, the man go
Change
change.
with-
If the man no want move, he go change.
Nothing change.
Now, good afternoon. Oh, good afternoon, sir. I fit talk.
Good afternoon.
My sister so and my brother. This get waiting make me come up because someone come out now. Waiting make me come up now. Waiting our brother benefit boy talk. But benefit boy, I beg you, no vex this thing when they already use the talk, they already talk. What's it called? When we say the person go repeat class, e not be say that word no harsh. E just be like form of we just dey talk just for joke. Say person person go repeat class. E not mean say we dey hard on that, we dey harsh on that person. Even though because a little bit harsh, maybe this one talk, you can't get as e be. E be like because say that person don't say that person a old student. Now make us dey use that word for that person. Not be say we when they talk as so we perfect. You understand? We not perfect. And again, everybody get you for body. You get people where don't learn, where don't learn from their mistake before this platform. Like me, person like me, I don't think when I learn from my mistakes. So like they waiting this woman, this our own niece, our only they pass through. So when you say you just need somebody where they say she and her daughter go to talk to me, I don't date 3 years. I not get time. I not need somebody happiness. I don't need to make person come stay with me to make me happy. My own baby, he reached me to stay happy because she herself na comedian on her own. You understand? When you they want feel say when you feel say your own happiness there for human being hand, they will break your heart at any given time. So sister Oyin, that guy, you're not supposed to do that house when you did so. You understand me? As far as you're supposed to enjoy with him, in the carry back they come out. As he carry back come out for the last time, don't let her come back house again. You understand? So now my contribution be that.
Okay, oh, we listen, we not judge. Nepa does is light. Oh, you may not veggie because the beneath that me parable say me like
No, I do with you now. I don't do where doctor's office day. Let me not talk again.
Okay. You understand? So now the top people we use it. Now the story where they talk, they come now you take remember your own. You understand me? So now you say we not carry the topic. Say now I be the topic of the day. No.
More no carry for the topic of the day. When I come more money from the mouth, more change am.
We don't come out since my sister.
Because I did popular.
After all, the washing plate we take enter. Plate they don't even wash the plate finish. So the BP don't keep person.
Wait to God's signature.
Yeah.
God's signature.
Yes.
Before now, come on for the matter. I get what I want to talk for the matter. You understand? So we not the mention person name. We don't mention person name. We are talking about the situation. Okay. So if no want to fit talk, no want make a fit talk.
Yeah,
But,
talk.
I mean, I'm not calling my sister's name. So yeah. The truth is that sometimes everybody they made mistake for this life. Nobody they perfect. Understand? And if you not talk nice, we're not going to learn from the reality of life, and it will look like maybe we dey face unnecessary, we dey fight issues. See, if I have to be honest with you, my sister, that guy, some people say that guy na bad head. I don't believe say that guy na bad head. Okay, I'm not judging you. I'm not defending that guy. I only the thought say sometimes where the noise they come from? So where's the noise coming from?
I mute myself.
Okay, please, if you can mute you, will be fine. See, what am I trying to say in the sense that guy, sometimes you know who you love, you don't know who love you. Okay, the truth is that it could be that guy, when they talk about, so the same thing when they complain about this guy, the other one when you go they meet, that one they treasure am, probably not that one they run. Now, what does that tells you as a person, whoever that is in the situation, not necessarily my sister here, is that there is somebody that the man takes as his priority. But for me, I don't. It's not like I'm exaggerating. This is who I am. So that's why I like to say the truth. Okay. Now, when I was still coming up, when I just entered Germany, there was a lady. I did one small Aduro house. It happened to a man. It happened to a woman. What am I trying to say here is that if you not place value on yourself, any person will see you as a person, whether man or woman, he will use you as he like. And what is that thing? When I nearly come that I not get nothing, not even, I never dey work, I not get document, I not get, now Duro house I did with one lady then. But what happened? The lady was like, oh, even the one when I get to, all men are so, some of people they talk, all men are so they be. In short, she talk one day say that they useless. And I say, God forbid bad thing. Even though that small place when government they give me where they put my head, if I feel go there, I pack come off for where they get there. You know, what does that tell me? I place a value on myself. It happens to man, it happens to woman. So if you not place value on yourself, any man can take this in. And that same man, now you think say maybe that man is as bad as anything. I see for comment section somebody saying a bad head. That person when you call bad head, I feel be good for another woman hand.
No.
That's what I'm saying now. Another person, somebody said now about that just now. So that's what I'm saying now. So our people with the day sentimental, with the day judgmental.
It's not bad.
You understand? So
we learn in the
I'm
hard
talking.
way.
I'm not saying that this is what they said. This is what somebody said just now. I think it's what's it called? Our brother here. Now right now exceptional. Now even right now bad head. Now he talk. So apart from the, we are all human. So what am I trying to say in the long run is that
we should know one thing in this platform. Maybe people don't understand this platform very well. In other platforms, they have their own laws. Also in our platform, we have our own laws and we have our rules. Okay? We have our laws and we have our rules. And my kind of person, I don't really like anyone to always focus on someone's comments, you know? Yeah, because why? Here in this platform, we created this for people to be free, you know, to be free to say whatsoever they want to say, provided they are not insulting anybody. The only thing we forbid in this platform is insult. You understand? The only thing we forbid there is insult. Anybody can say anything. You understand? Anybody can say anything, even though, for example, say,
I think,
saying a bad person. Me say I say a bad person, then be.
No, Brass, you saying a bad person. If you bad person and bad head, now see different thing on the long run, the other way around. But me, I always respect rules and regulation, okay? But the truth is that what I'm trying to say is that may we try to see where the mistake they come from. May we try to place value on ourselves. That's what I'm saying. That if you not place value on yourself as a person, any person, if you can't use it, they do you can't look yourself. You can't get that so low self-esteem. So, like what I was even saying, even when I not get anything, bros, you know how Germany be, they fear deportation and everything. But I see come off for where woman day because I believe say God will always answer my prayer one day. And at the end of the day, God really answered my prayer, and by the grace of God, I'm doing extremely well today. You understand? So, but if I have not seen this future for myself, I go feel saying that there be the worst thing. There was one thing that was even going on then. Say, in short, one my friend tell me say, you go born with a Chris woman today because he define document. You understand? So I always have this thing in me. This is like more than 10 years ago. Not be even which day I joined TikTok for years. It's not even TikTok kind of talk. But what I'm saying is that if we feel place value on ourselves, there are some things we will not tolerate. If you tolerate them, you not go fit terminate them. And if you tolerate them, if it terminates you, that is where the aspect of this joy, say maybe this self-expression or maybe whatever will come up. So may we try. Sometimes not be the people really they bad. Now we not really place value on ourselves. Now we don't really know what we want as a woman, as a man. If we get that self-esteem, that value on ourselves, there are some certain things that we will not take no matter what is happening. So I just try to emphasize on say let's work on ourselves. And secondly, sometimes our sister made mention of something, say the former one, that's what they do. See, there are some men, some people they get something wrong, browsing. They get something wrong. Say as a man, woman they talk say, you don't understand me, you understand me. You understand the man? The man decide the woman don't understand me, the woman don't understand me. You understand the woman. So it's not about understanding the man or the woman. Make una understand una self as a person. Why did I say that? Is because at a time I was like open for dating. One time a girl came to me. The first day when we meet, she just put clothes to you everywhere, just scatter herself. Like I was like, are you that cheap? For instance, you understand? That thing, that moment, that thing just commot the interest when I get for that baby. And for instance, so you not get how she wants to spend 100 years with me. When it go be, say maybe I go say I won't get anything to do with her. But there is one thing I always do. I just leave her make it commot. Then I say I'm not interested, and we commot
Were you thinking that the woman was wrong?
Bro, for me, I feel that she was wrong in the sense that I feel like she's acting like too cheap to
It's
me.
not like that, bro.
Okay, because
Sometimes
we just
it's not
see
like
for
that.
the first time.
No, sometimes
No,
not like
it
that.
depends on individual, bro. At the corner, it depends. Bro, at the corner, that's what I'm saying now. You may like it, me, I may not like it. That's why we are unique as individual. This one they talk about, so I look what our sister said just now. He says, now that thing will draw me come. He say some they like and for when they draw their hair, some at their nipple, some at the hair when they down and they draw, some at whatever. You understand? So it means the women they are still unique individually. So, but for it depends on an individual difference. But for me, it depends on if I like them or I don't like them. But for me, I don't like them. Okay, I don't like them. That's why I be like that. So I believe say, for this person, she feels say you want to impress me. But for me, I don't like, you know. So that was that. So on the long run, it could be like. Okay. Now be this life now. That's why we need to know ourselves. Okay, so it's as good as that. So I think the important thing is that waiting we like.
You see, check comment section, benefit boy. Check comment section. Check comment section. You can see that even the men, they disagree with you. Even the men.
No, bro, you are right.
For you to say because a woman told you how the first time,
bro, they are right. Bro,
she opened up for you and
yeah,
you said
they are right.
It's not like that, bro.
No. It depends. I'm not. I dey come. See some. I dey come, sister. I dey come. See. Hold on now. Let me. There's already a misunderstanding.
Yeah, can you hold on?
All right, no problem then.
Please. Host. Sorry, I came up quickly. I don't want to deviate from a topic, an issue that was brought here. Right.
Okay.
Somebody needed an advice on something. And I think we're going round and round. So yes, I understand, Benefit Boy, you've had your experience, but I think this lady requested for some form of, I think for her to be able to open up, it was courage, right? And it was comfort. I don't want to use other issues, Rob, just, even if it's just a 10-second advice, I think she needs it, right? May we not deviate into who strip, who not strip, who knock first day, who not knock first day, individual preference. Sister Onyi, I will tell you something, regardless of what anybody is saying. I heard you. I've been listening. You see, what you accept, like somebody they continue. The way you accept to be treated is the way somebody is going to continue treating you. First of all, the lady don't call you. You need to let him know that you know that he's sleeping with somebody else. You know, one thing I've understood about men. You see, the man will treat you anyhow for house, they worship another woman somewhere. And he's only holding on to you, maybe because of one thing, he's benefiting from you, not because he really cares about you. You see that knack will no knack you. He's probably tearing somebody else's bakers up. I'm telling you. So, I say all that to say that now you need to draw the line on what you are going to accept and not accept, right? There are other things you can entertain yourself with. There are other activities you can engage in to keep your mind, your mental mind, your physical body busy. He is not the person because he is enjoying something else. By the time he come back to you tired, he already don't make somebody else's dream come true. Don't give another woman 15 other than. So when he comes home, he's no longer interested in you. Any man where you date with as a woman, who is not just interested in touching you, is not interested in touching you, there is a problem. There's a big problem. That's not a relationship. That's a contract. He's benefiting something from you, and you are using him to just have conversation. But my dear sister, if the other woman was bold enough to pick up phone, call you, that means he's run you down somewhere in front of her. So what I would say to you is this: you need to sit him down.
No, auntie, you don't understand. Do you know how the thing came up? The woman said she herself wants to settle down. That she is looking because she have many numbers on his phone. She just like pick up my own. That she wants to know the kind of person this person is. It's like the woman is still probably thinking, is this person for me or is it for another person? The woman is not it's not for the woman.
He's not for both.
You understand? Genau.
The man is not for both of you then.
But
yeah,
I need
to sit him down and let him know that the woman called you, that you know he is cheating. You need to tell him. You cannot swallow that and save his emotions. You need to let him know. And then you guys need to part ways respectfully. But you cannot continue to live under the same roof with a man who is having, not one time, maybe say go knock, come back one day. He come there, apologize to you, they beg. He's constantly, consistently having an affair. First of all, my dear sister, he's putting you at risk.
Yeah.
He's putting you at risk. Your health and your mental health.
Yeah.
He can go get something from outside and give to you. That not the woman will call you. You don't even know if he has other ones. But you need to have an adult conversation. See, women, having conversation with men, not be gra-gra. You can sit him down and have an adult conversation. This is what I know you are doing. This is what I will take. This is what I will not take. Put the cards on the table. No be fight, no be quarrel. And then you exit.
Yeah, auntie, sorry to cut you short. I have done all these things. There is a day I call, like me, I don't like anything that is hot. That is me for you. So I've called him, I have talked to him. The next thing he said, I'm too proud. And I sit,